Korea and its leader, Kim Jong-un, have put military might at the center of this country's priorities. And developing sophisticated nuclear weapons is at the top of that list. It's not just about being able to use all this firepower, it's about the deterrence, being able to show it off. And today, on the country's big national holiday, leader Kim Jong-un was showing off. Missile after missile on trucks and launchers, weapons already seen and weapons newly revealed. This one, for instance, seems to be a new intercontinental ballistic missile, the kind of thing Pyongyang has been threatening to hit the U.S. with in a nuclear attack. But experts say it's not clear if this really is a working weapon or just a future design, a mock-up for show. There were also new warnings. In a speech, a key advisor to Kim said North Korea would answer all-out war with all-out war, nuclear war if provoked by the U.S. Other officials later said U.S. President Donald Trump's tweets are too aggressive, pushing the risk of conflict to the edge. Trump has also sent an aircraft carrier strike force to the waters off North Korea's coast and hinted at a possible preemptive strike. Among the tens of thousands participating in today's parade, there was plenty of bravado. We've become a strong country who can instantly vanquish invaders, says Choi Jin-seo. Many here believe their leader's message and share his defiance. But listening to the rhetoric and watching all this, many experts believe North Korea is beyond the point of no return, that there's just simply no way to convince Kim Jong-un to give up his nuclear program, and very few military options to force him to. Saša, Petricic, CBC News, Pyongyang, North Korea.